So in case you're wondering why, hi. Hello, welcome to Fiber Love Diary. I'm Trisha if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. You might be wondering why I have this bundt pan. I actually just opened this right before this video and it's still on my table. So we're just gonna move that out of the way. How are you? Everything's great here. We are having some kind of rainy, blucky, stormy weather. It's a little bit muggy and hot, but you know, I love summer, so I don't really mind. Today, my August Paradise fiber subscription came. I can't believe it, and I forgot my scissors. Hang on, I'll be right back. So what I really can't believe is that it's this far along in August already for this to be here. Like, what happened to this month already? Super cute theme this month. Cute little dinosaurs. I want to get this the right way up. Little dinosaurs. In case you're wondering why I have two, some of you guys will know, and I'm sorry if this bores you. I always try to make it quick, but I buy one to give away to one of you, and they send me one to open up on my channel so you can see what it is. So if you want to enter to win, all you have to do is leave a comment on a video, starting with this one, going all the way through until the next package shows up at my house and the video gets posted. The lives, if you leave a comment after the fact, it counts. But if you are chatting in the lives, the comment picker I use can't see them. So I just want you to be clear on how to enter to win. May the odds be ever in your favor. Let's open one. I didn't see a hint this month. Apparently we're Jurassic themed, dinosaur themed, I don't know. There might be a fossil in here. I have no idea. If you follow me on Facebook, you would have seen that I recently posted that we don't know if dinosaurs had hair. Maybe it's some dinosaur hair, right? Could be. Anything's possible with Paradise Fibers. They're so awesome. So I'm going to put the prize one up. Okay, I also forgot. If you have been like watching and commenting over the last month, make sure you stay to the end so you can see if you won last month's package, and I'll link that video below just in case you want to see what's in it. Okay, ready? Like I said, I have no clue. I did not see spoilers this month. I know some of you have already gotten yours. I haven't been able to bring myself to spin last month's because I'm just not sure what I want to do with it, but I've seen some really beautiful ones. Looking for my cards. Okay, in your bag, let's see, wait, what else? Oh my gosh, new blends. Wow, okay, we got 3 ounces each of some new blends. I'm gonna go through those. It says Dino Party. There is a pattern to make little crocheted, how do you say it? I always say amigurumi, but is that wrong? I think the emphasis might be in the wrong place. Amigurumi? Is that it? Someone help me with where the emphasis goes. Very cute little animals, and also some info on the blend. So when I take those out, I will kind of give you the highlights. We'll go through it. Want to? Let's do. Shall we? Okay. So first it says 3 ounces each of 2 new blends. So this one is called Riddle. It is Merino, Bamboo, and Tweed blend. Ooh, approximately 3 ounces. All right. Oh gosh, that is so gorgeous. I can kind of see how like this might make you think of certain types of reptiles too. Really, really beautiful and nice and soft. Look at that. I do kind of feel like I want to spin this right away, but I don't know what I would do with it yet. I don't need to know what I'm going to do with it to spin it. As we all know, I don't worry about those kinds of trivial little This must be the other one. It's in a cute polka dot bag with all different colors. I think this must be the other one. Yep. You guys know how much I love green and purple together. It is a favorite. It's been a favorite since high school, and I'm not kidding. So this one has like hot pink tweed and different shades, several different shades of purple, and there may be some like charcoal in here, I'm thinking. I think I see some charcoal, but maybe it's just a more grayish purple shade. Love it. I am in love with these. Are there more colors in their shop, or did they just do two? Wait, let's read about them. This blend is called Folklore. Oh, and this one's called Legacy. Did I say that? I may have. I definitely said riddle. Okay, so it says, inspired by cultural expressions, jokes, beliefs, legends, myths, music, dance, traditions, beliefs, and stories passed through generations by word of mouth. Wow, that's a lot of inspiration. So it has some info about what's in here and some like ideas on spinning it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I will not, I can tell you, be plying them with each other. But I may just spin them separately and add them to like a plainer color for some color work, and who knows, maybe another color, because I love these. Yeah, it just kind of talks about how they spun them, what they think is the way, and all that stuff. So I think that's nice. Some people just don't feel that comfortable just diving in, you know? So also, let me see what's in here. It says one stash tea. It's a surprise flavor. I got cinnamon vanilla. Always with the smelling it and not being able to smell it. Yum. Okay, plastic safety. Oh, eyes. So they gave some eyes in case you want to make the little dinosaur animals. I honestly don't exactly, I mean, I know these go together, but I've never done these before. So I guess you just poke them in, but I'm not going to do that because then you can't get them out. But you get 4 of them, so you can make 2 little animals. That's kind of nice. And then a dino stitch marker. Oh my gosh, look. I don't have a cute tiny dinosaur stitch marker. Well, I do now, but I didn't have one before. Look how sweet that is. And then a surprise favorite vinyl sticker. I think this is the vinyl sticker from the Warhol box, is it not? Someone help me. I could be wrong, but I think this is the one from the Warhol box. So I may use this because that means, yeah, well, yeah, it says on the back. And you, Warhol. Really? How funny. I might use this because that means I have a second one. So I probably will use this. Guys, I'm gonna use a sticker. Okay, so I'm just counting right now all the videos, and because I did a live every day for Tour de Fleece, there are 20. That includes the lives, but only the public ones, of course, because it needs to be so everyone can comment on it. We want random number generator. There were 20 videos, so it will be video number 19, which was a live, and it has to be the second to the last live that is public. Okay, so those are all for members. So it's this one right here, the 24th Tour de Fleece. There are not a lot of comments, so somebody is going to have a really good chance of winning. Now we want random comment picker. Okay, so we just put the link here, paste. Now it makes me do a little math problem. Okay. And then you hit start. And Jerry, you win! You win the let's see, the July package, and all you have to do to claim it is send me your snail mail address to fiberoflovediary@gmail.com and I will get it in the mail. Congratulations, Jerry. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, so my minstrel is empty. I'm gonna go ahead and start spinning one of these like right away today. I never do that, but I'm gonna do it today. I'm a fan. You really can't go wrong with tweeds. I like it when you add the viscose tweedy bumps. I like it when you use sari silk for the tweeds. I just really like the tweeds. Did I mention that I like tweed? Thank you, Paradise Fibers. I am loving this box and I love these two colors together. I can't see if there's more colors available, but I'm gonna go look. Might be bad. If you want your own box, don't forget there's a link below. It's an affiliate link, so it does help my channel a little bit. I would love to hear if you liked yours, if you haven't gotten it yet, if you can't wait to get it, what you think you want to do with it. Let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys later in the week. Because this is Monday, I'm gonna move the Tuesday video out probably to Thursday, but I plan to be live a couple times this week, and then Sunday I'll be back, but I may be moving the time back a little bit, so please check in the Facebook group for the time on Sunday if you're planning on coming, because I think I need to move it back like 2 hours. Have a great week. Sounds like I'm gonna have a busy one. I will see you soon, and I hope everything is great in your corner of the world. Thanks, I love you, bye.